Greetings everyone. Today I will walk you through Robo-Medic AI, your instant robotic expert for fast, accurate troubleshooting on the shop floor. Our vision is simple. Empower your team with immediate intelligent diagnostics so that downtime becomes the exception, not the norm. Robo-Medic AI takes what is usually a slow, specialist-driven process and turns it into a fast, intuitive three-step workflow that any trained operator can use. Step 1. Capture. When something goes wrong with a robot or automated cell, the operator does not need any special tools or complex interfaces. They just simply use their phone to take photos and short videos of the problem area. This could be a misaligned gripper, an error code on an HMI, a jammed conveyor, or an unusual wear pattern on a component. The goal is to make data capture frictionless so that the person closest to the problem can trigger the diagnostic process in a seconds rather than waiting for maintenance or engineering to arrive. The next step is analyze. Step 2 is analyze. Once the image or video is captured, it is posted to our Gemini powered AI engine from misalignment, warning lights, error codes, or abnormal screen messages. Instead of a generic response, Robo-Medic AI provides an instant context aware analysis of the likely mechanical or software issue. This compresses what is typically a lengthy trial and error troubleshooting cycle into focused, data-driven diagnostic step that takes only minutes. The next step is recommend. Based on the analysis, Robo-Medic AI generates clear step-by-step repair instruction tailored to the observed issue. In addition, it launches grounded web searches for parts, tools, and vendor links, guiding the user directly to compatible component and recommended suppliers. So the operator is not just told what is wrong, they are equipped with a precise actionable path to resolution and the procurement support to back up its plan. Next one. Together, this three-step driven power business case. These three steps actually drive very powerful business case. First, 90% first diagnosis by moving from manual expert only troubleshooting to AI assisted analysis. We reduce the time spent diagnosing issues from hours to minutes. That accelerates mean time to repair and keeps production schedules on track. And secondly, an empowered workforce, operators become frontline problem solvers instead of a passive reporters of the issue. This closes the skill gap on the floor, reduces dependency on a limited pool of senior technicians actually. And third, streamlined repairs with accurate root cause identification and direct links to the parts and tools. Procurement becomes more precise and faster than ever. You minimize wrong orders, avoid necessary inventory, and shorten the repair cycle end to end. And finally, all of these rolls up to maximize operational uptime. More uptime means higher throughputs, better asset utilization, and a more resilient operation that can absorb disruption without missing customer commitments. Robo-Medic AI is not just a diagnostic tool, it is a strategic enabler for smarter, more autonomous, and more reliable robotic operation. You can think of Robo-Medic AI as a digital expert standing next to every robot 24/7, capturing issues, instantly analyzing them intelligently, and recommending targeted actions to keep your lines running. Now I will try to demonstrate the app, how it works according to the presentation. Now I will demonstrate how this Robotic AI robot troubleshooter apps actually works. So first I will upload a photo, go to my desktop, and I will give a random photo like photo number 3. Now I'll give command to this so to run the diagnosis. So it's running. It's actually diagnosis the problem. What's the problem and where the problem and how I can solve the problem. So it will take some time because it's a new technology. So I think yeah, it's also looking for some solutions. Yeah, it identified the problems. What are the problems in that particular plant in particular sector? So it's telling me that the robot mobility and navigation impairment, robotic arm collision hazard, unsecured workplace hazard, and inadequate safety uh, delineation. And what are the troubleshooting steps? It also showed the how can I troubleshoot this problem, and here the whole step, 12 step actually, and it's also giving you the approximate cost of the troubleshooting problem of in every step. So it's showing me in first step the predicted hour and estimated hour and estimated parts cost, and in second same, in third it's showing there are some costing for the parts and the estimated hours, working hours. So this way it is giving us the each and every details how I can troubleshoot this problem, and it also recommending some vendors who actually supplies these parts. If I go to one website, um, like I want to go a random website like this. So it's like it's showing error, but yeah, eh, it's a genuine website and genuine company which actually troubleshoots the industrial problems. I will like to go in another website. So it's actually showing that the company is actually exists, and they actually gives you the solution of the problem. And we can also download the PDF from here. Now We go to the PDF download, or so it gives the diagnosis report, the whole diagnosis report. What will be the estimated part cost, what will be estimated hours of working hours, and what will be estimated labor cost. It is like it's giving the approx costing and working hours of the troubleshoot. It's showing that the total amount of yeah yeah to solve the problem it will take 7,720, and we also have an help and info option for the companies to know about this application, and to contact with the manufacturer of this application. So this was the app demonstration. Hope you all enjoyed it, and thank you for listening to the presentation and the application demonstration. You all have a good and blessed life. Thank you.